Winix 5510 versus Winix 5520. These two look almost like twins on paper. Same HEPA, same carbon filter, same room coverage, and the price gap is small. So the real question is whether the extra you pay for the 5520 actually buys you anything that matters. Sometimes that little difference is worth it, sometimes it is wasted money. By the end, you will know which one fits your home. Let's make it clear. How do they actually clean the air? This is the whole point, so let's start here. And straight up, this is where the twins really are twins. Same true HEPA, same deodorization carbon filter, same plasma wave stage, same washable mesh pre-filter. Both pull dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander out of a room fast. And both are AHAM verified for around the same coverage. So if you have a dog that sheds, or a kitchen that smells like last night's dinner, either one handles it. There's one review that stuck with me. Someone with a husky mix and a Shiba Inu said that within half an hour the air in their living room was noticeably easier to breathe, and after 8 hours the floating hair had dropped to a manageable level. That tells me more than any spec sheet. The carbon filter is the quiet hero here. It punches above its price on cooking smells and pet odor. My take, on raw cleaning power, there is no real difference. Whatever you pick, the air gets cleaner. Don't overthink this part. So if cleaning is a wash, where does it actually matter? Noise. And again, both run nearly silent on the lowest speed, around that whisper level, quiet enough for a bedroom or a home office overnight. The auto mode and the light-based sleep mode are identical too. The unit drops to a slower fan when the room goes dark and wakes back up in daylight. Where people consistently agree is turbo. Crank either one to the top setting and you've basically got a box fan running. It's loud, not a defect, just physics. That's the airflow doing its job. One thing worth flagging, the light sensor for sleep mode can be a little eager, so if your room stays dark during the day, it may slow down when you don't want it to. Easy fix, just switch to manual. On noise, these two are dead even. And if this comparison is helping you sort it out, hit subscribe. Your support is what keeps these deep comparisons coming. Now, the part most people skip and later regret, filter cost and upkeep. Both use the same multi-stage setup, washable pre-filter you rinse off, plus a HEPA and carbon combo that's built to last roughly a year of normal use. That's genuinely good, because plenty of competitors want you swapping filters every 3 months. The HEPA here is thicker, closer to an inch, which is why it goes the distance. Now the catch. The carbon filter on this newer generation is not washable like the older 5500 series was, so you are buying replacements. Genuine filters aren't cheap, and the community agrees you should just budget for one set a year and buy them on sale. Maintenance itself is low effort. Pop the front, rinse the screen, done. On this, the two are identical, same filter, same cost, same hassle. No winner. So what actually separates them? The smart stuff. The 5510 leans on app support and Wi-Fi. Control fan speed from your phone. Check filter status. Link it to Alexa or Google. The 5520 puts its money on the onboard air quality monitor and indicator. Here's my honest read. The app is functional but basic, and people report the Wi-Fi pairing can be fiddly, and the app a little ad heavy. If you want to leave it on auto and forget it, the app barely matters. If you like tweaking from the couch or asking a voice assistant for a reading, the 5510 gives you that. Useful for some, total fluff for others. Which brings us to what it costs. Both sit in a very similar range, with only a small gap between them. The 5510 is usually the slightly more affordable of the two, and tends to see more discounts during big sale events, while the 5520 holds its price a bit steadier. For the extra you'd pay on the 5520, you're essentially paying for that air quality monitor rather than any cleaning advantage, because the core hardware, the HEPA, the carbon, the coverage, the noise, is the same on both. So, the value question really comes down to one thing. Do you want app control and lower entry price, or the standalone monitor? The basics you're getting either way are strong, and that's the honest picture before we land on who each one is for. Here's the call. There's no single winner here, because the cleaning, the noise, and the filters are dead even. What separates them is one feature, so your pick comes down to how you want to control the thing. If you like checking filter status from your phone or asking a voice assistant for a quick command, get the 5510. If you'd rather glance at the unit and see your air quality right there without touching an app, the 5520 is your pick. The 5510 is usually the more affordable of the two and shows up more during big sale events, so if budget leads, wait for a drop there. And you, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below with the current price.